Hey guys, welcome back to Dakota Danger 7, and today is a really exciting video because I will be unboxing Taylor Swift's The Tortured Poets Department manuscript signed vinyl, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy that it came on release day because I was like, is it gonna get here? Because all it said was like on the way. It didn't say like location or anything. Maybe I should have looked farther into it. But like I got home from school today and there it was on my porch stool. I'm like, dang, this is like Christmas morning, coming downstairs, seeing the presents under the tree, but it's on my porch. So if you don't know me, I'm Dakota. I do like lifestyle videos, gaming, art, cooking, and now vinyl videos. So I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe for more vinyl unboxings in the future. And I also have the Black Dog edition that will be coming, so I'll be unboxing that too when that arrives. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It looks so cool. The manuscript. Oh my gosh, it's here. This is so exciting. And this is so cool. Where's the signed part? Do they put it on the inside? I guess they'd have to. I don't know. I've never had a signed thing from Taylor Swift before. That's why I was so excited. But I guess we'll just hope to open it to find out. Here is what the top of it looks like. And I just love the back of it in the phrase, "I love you, it's ruining my life." Which we found out is a lyric in Fortnite. That's the only song I've listened to. And I wanted to do this for Speak Now. I wanted to listen to the vinyl and hear all the songs for the first time on the vinyl. I wasn't able to do that. So I'm super excited for this because I've only listened to Fortnite, so I get to listen to all the other songs for the first time on my record player. Very, very exciting. Oh, and you can see like the booklet part in here. Okay. Just a little opening. Oh no, I started to rip the little thing. I was gonna keep that. Should have done it at a better spot. And the struggle is so real unboxing vinyls without like cutting it, but I got it a little bit better. Is there any good way to take the plastic off? I don't know. I just do this. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I feel like the time went by so quick though, from when she released it February 4th to announced it February 4th to now. Oh my gosh. Oh, and look, the cover. It kind of has like sort of material to it. I don't know what it's called, but it just looks different. Like the part here. Okay, this thing is thick. Oh my gosh. Time to open it up. Oh my gosh. There it is. The side parts. So cool. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Here you can look at it. I love the heart. It's so cute. First signed Taylor thing. So excited. And when I get to the part where I actually play the vinyl, which I haven't done in my last unboxings, but I will today. I'm actually going to listen to it right after. I'm going to show you where I'm going to hang this up at. Next to my Sabrina Carpenter Emails I Can't Send signed vinyl insert. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put this here for now. Oh my gosh. This is just gorgeous. Hold up. If you're wondering, the back is blank. There it is. I'm gonna put it in cardboard box for now. Back to the vinyl. I opened this up and I'm so surprised. I heard people online talking about this, the Stevie Nicks poem, but I didn't know this was like here. I thought she was gonna have like a foreword. Maybe I guess this is part of it. I'm not gonna read it right now because it's in cursive and I can't read it from that far. But you guys can look at it if you'd like. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe I got the signed vinyl. This is so cool. And then here is the booklet. So I'll be going through every little page and turning it so you can look at it. Spoiler though, if you're getting your own vinyl, it hasn't arrived yet. But yeah, and I'll leave the timestamp in here for the part after that in case you want to skip it. But this thing is so many pages. Oh my gosh, I love this page. I love the photos. This is so cool. I'm just like looking at the lyrics for the first time. I haven't even listened to these songs yet. Oh my gosh. This is so wow. I guess this is a good camera placement if I can zoom out a bit. Yes, I am charging my phone right now. That's kind of annoying. Okay. Oh my gosh. Down bad. That one's definitely a little... I love the layout on these. It's so long-winded. Oh my gosh, she's like in a wedding dress in this one. That's what it just appears to be. But daddy, I love him. Oh my gosh, this is just so overwhelming. Fresh out of the slammer. I love the aesthetic of this. Like I said in my other unboxing, I love the aesthetic of Taylor's vinyls, the thought that goes into them, and just how they look. They're just so pretty. Florida. Yes, I'm haunting, but I'm feeling just fine. All my girls got their lace in their crimes. Interesting. Guilty as sin. That was my refrigerator. Wow. Use of Roman numerals too. Who's afraid of little me? I can fix them. No, really, I can't. And it's kind of hard to see the lyrics, so you can just look them up online. Oh my gosh. I love this photo. L-O-M-L. I can do it with a broken heart. So this is an album of poetry, as literally the title states. So I'm probably going to be using this to read through the lyrics after I listen to them. Just like analyze them a bit more. Smallest man who ever lived. The Alchemy. People are saying this is about Travis Kelce. I don't know. I haven't listened to it yet. Does the timeline line up? She said she's been working on it for 2 years. And then I heard people say there's like a certain time where you have to like submit everything for them to start making the vinyls. So I don't know. Didn't she start dating him like September, October? Is that enough time for her to like write a song about him, include in on the record? I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is just so pretty. You look like Clara Bow in this light, remarkable. All your life, did you know you'd be picked like a rose? And then the manuscript. Really excited for this one. This is such an emotional album for Taylor. It's crazy that she like writes these and puts them out into the world. Oh, so we get a summary poem instead of a prologue or foreword, unless there was another one that she wrote, I'm not sure. Summary poem by Taylor Swift. I'm sure you guys like you could already see this online, but showing it. Okay, this vinyl is a lot. This is so cool. I'm definitely gonna like analyze and look through it more later, but for now, just showing you guys for the video. Oh, this is interesting. Instead of photos, it's like handwritten lyrics. So long-winded. What's so long? I thought So Long's lyrics were in the booklet. I think they were, but then we have this. Oh, that's cool. It jumps out so much. I thought, oh, let's touch it, see if it's not just a print. Obviously, it's printed. Oh, and you can see like the drink circles too, like she was drinking wine, water, or something. Obviously not wine. This is like a white wine. I don't know. File name, the manuscript. Oh, time to take out the vinyl. So when she released it, I was like obsessed with these white vinyls, how they looked. I was like, that is so cute. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. So pretty. TTBD vinyl. Wow. If it comes into focus. Focus on the vinyl. This is the side D. Clearly I opened the wrong side. Just look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I think it's an interesting choice to put So Long London's lyrics right here when the track is, oh my gosh, not even on this disc. Really need to be more careful. So yeah, I'll be making more videos soon. Hopefully I'll make a video for when like I hang up the signed insert. Same with the Sabrina one. I haven't hung that one up yet. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Tortured Poets Department. Why is my phone like not focusing today? It's bothering me. The manuscript side thing. And that is one of those paw prints again. Oh, here's the Fortnite lyrics. Why is there something red on this? It's kind of odd. And look, it's bent. It's all good. Here. Let me try something. Turn the lights off in the house. Maybe it'll focus better. These look like the... Actually, I don't know what lyrics that song's for, because I haven't listened to that one yet. Okay, I am not going to take this disc out right now. I will when I go upstairs to play it though, which I will be filming. So this unboxing video is kind of long. I hope you guys stay and watch to the end, but if not, that's okay. But I am putting timestamps so you can go around to different parts of the video. So, yep. Now I'm going to be putting it and playing it for the very first time and reacting to it. So let's get going. Alright, we have it in here, the manuscript. I haven't filmed my round unboxings like this in a while. It's been a little bit. I've just been using my phone and not actually including the first play in the unboxing video. There you have it. The manuscript vinyl. And the glove is supposed. Oh, the anticipation. I like the vibe of it. This is good. Oh, what? First new song that I haven't heard. Tortured Poster. Oh, I like the beat. The Tortured Poets Department. I heard that lyric online. Oh, I love this song. I love the title of the song too. Title of the album. Nice. Okay, so thoughts so far on the album. I like it. I don't know. I didn't really like Fortnite this morning when I listened to it, but now I listen to it now and I like it. I only listened to side A so far because I wanted to get this video up before I have to leave for an event. But I think Down Bad is my favorite song so far. I also like Tortured Post-Apartment. And I feel like nowadays songs are so short that I got used to the songs being short. And I feel like some of the songs I'm like, oh, this is the same song. It's kind of long. I thought my boy only breaks his favorite toys. I think that's the title of it. I thought that one felt long. That one was okay. I'll do a ranking real quick out of the ones I heard, and then I'm gonna post more shorts and videos on YouTube. I'm gonna do like a ranking video probably. I'm gonna do a video more clips of songs. I'm probably gonna do a YouTube short about the unboxing too, just to get more viewers on it also. Okay, so what is on side A? It is, yeah, Fortnite, Tortured Postpartum, My Boy Only Breaks His Favorite Toys, Down Bad. If I had to rank them so far, I would say number 1, Down Bad, 2, Tortured Postpartum, 3, Fortnite, 4, My Boy Only Breaks His Favorite Toys. I don't know, I just didn't really like My Boy Only Breaks His Favorite Toys. I don't know, but also the thing is, same with Midnights and Folklore. The songs I didn't like at first, I ended up loving. Some of the songs I did like Labyrinth. I liked that one at first. Now I don't really like it at all. I think it's boring. But yeah, just kind of interests change over time. But I think Down Bad is really good, and I can't wait to listen to how many other songs? Like 25, something like that. That's an insane amount. We'll have to listen to the other ones on YouTube if they're on there, or Spotify. I think they're on YouTube though. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more videos, more Taylor Swift content coming soon with like rankings videos, and I hope to make a video about like my record player, record collection, and I do have the Black Dog edition coming too. I can't wait to unbox that. That one just looks so sophisticated. I love the color of it, and I'm just really grateful I'm able to get the signed vinyl and the other vinyl, and I am just so excited for Tortured Post-Apartment. And I also have a Folklore shirt too. I'm probably gonna do like a little mini photo shoot wearing that with this, because same vibes pretty much. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out my dudes. I love ya.